We are learning about polar animals, so let me show you these cute penguin direct draws and how I teach my students how to do it in kindergarten. So first, with our white piece of paper, we're gonna go ahead and I teach them in the middle of their paper, they're gonna draw a rainbow. And I kind of have them do it with their finger first, just so they can get an idea of the shape that they're looking for. And then we're gonna go ahead and close the bottom part just like that. The next thing that we do is we go ahead and we draw our circles for eyes. And then I teach them how they we do a V and then close it up to do our triangle. And then we do another rainbow in the middle of that for the white belly, okay? Then we work on our flippers. And so what we do over here is we kind of go over and I teach them kind of do a little curved line that way and then another curved line that way, and same over on this side. Okay, and then our feet, our little flip feet, I teach them how to kind of do like little, I know it's not exactly how penguin feet look, but they were successful with that. So now we have our penguin. So if you look here, we also kind of have some other details to it. So then I tell them that the next thing we need to do is to make a horizon line so they can notice where the sky meets the land. And so I kind of teach them around their eyes, they're going to draw a straight line all the way to the edge of the paper, and same on that side. So that kind of shows that this is the sky part and this is the bottom part. Then up at the top, we go ahead and just make a mountain, and this will help when we separate our painting. And so if you remember on the painting, we have an ice floe that they sit on. So to do the ice floe, what we do is I kind of teach them to go up just a little bit, and they're gonna go ahead and curve around, kind of make a backward C, and go all the way there, so they kind of go up a little bit. So then to make it look a little bit more three-dimensional, I kind of show them, and this is tricky for them, but they just go to the outside part and just draw a little line down, and same over here, a little line down, and then they kind of curve around like that, and then they have their ice floe, and it kind of looks a little bit more like they're floating. Then once we get that, I trace it with Sharpie, and then we get oil pastels and we color our feet and our beak and our black part in oil pastel, and then they take blue oil pastel and go ahead and make their ocean waves. And I have liquid watercolors that we use, so for the sky they got to choose if they wanted the light blue up at the sky or the dark blue. So the paintings either have, the colors might be flipped, but we do one color for the sky and the other color for the ocean, and they turned out super cute. On the back, I can't